Welcome to online classes. Now we have to revise the chapter number 1 of the electricity because we have completed almost three chapters. So now we have to discuss the chapter number 1 and chapter we have to revise. So simple, we have to revise here first chapter, and in the previous lecture we have to discuss the charge and electric circuits. Now we have goals on electric potential. Electric potential. So we have to discuss the term electric potential here. There are two terms. First is electric potential and another is potential difference. So we have to understand the basic terms. Suppose if a charge placed here, if a positive charge is placed here, we know this charge creates its own electric field. This charge creates its own electric fields around us. It means if another charge that is to be coming, suppose here is a charge, that charge supposed to be Q, and we have to deduce this is a simple test charge. If this test charge is taking very slowly, moving very slow, if this test charge is taking very slowly from here, once at a time this charge is here, and after some interval of time this charge is here, and here we see that this external charge creates its own electric field, and if any charge that is to be gone in own electric field, then this charge experiences a electric force, and this electric force is in which direction? When the charge is coming here, force of this is positive charge and this is plus charge, and the force of repulsion, because both of the charges should be same sign, or if the charges should be same sign, then the force of repulsion will be acting between them. So here we see that the force is acting in this direction, that is the Coulomb force. And if we overcome this Coulomb forces, an agent is doing a work to neutralize this forces, and external agent is to be acting with net forces. Because this Coulomb force is totally neutralized by the external agents, and this Coulomb force is exactly equal to the agent forces, because at that particular instant both of the forces will be equal, and both of the forces if equal, then this charge will be in balance condition and moves very slowly in patterns. And if this external agent is acting, then we have doing some work, and this work is to be stored in the form of potential energy. So here the definition is defined here. Electric potential V is equal to work done upon capacity charge. This is the basic definition. What is the definition of the electric potential? If a unit quantity of positive charge is taken from infinity to a point where electric field is present, then amount of work This is the basic definition we have to remember here. So the basic definition of the electric potential is that, so we have to define it. What is the unit? V is equal to W by Q naught. V is potential difference. Potential difference. V final minus V initial. This is the work done upon rest. V final is the V final and V initial is the 0, because infinity is taken is reference. Infinity is taken reference level and potential initial is equal to 0. If we taking a reference point and that reference point is to be considered at infinity and that potential to be assumed at that particular point is to be 0, and here we have to recognize that infinity is always taken as 0 potential. This is the basic line we have to remember here. The infinity is taken as the reference level and here the potential is to be assumed is 0, because at a particular points the points of another potential is defined. If we are not taking a reference, then the potential is not defining this. So this is the basic concept. What is the unit? Unit is joule per coulomb. The SI unit we have to remember.